Hello and welcome to Group 9's Powtoon. Our topic was Generation Z and Technology, and our group consists of Tristan, myself, Aaron Taylor, and Pearl Rubberkinney. We are all education majors. So going along with that, the issue that we wanted to look at was technology and how it can negatively affect the classroom, because lots of times we think of technology as a positive influence on the class. And ultimately, we found that technology can limit the extent to which students have control over their education. To dive a little deeper, we had to figure out why was this issue so important and why is it something that we need to bring up. The first was with the presence of technology, students themselves are encouraged to remain exclusive. Lots of times we see this not only in the classroom, but walking around outside and not talking to one another and being solely glued to our technology. And the second was technology in a traditional classroom may impede a student's control over their time management. So how can we find the solution to this? So basically the overall solution was e-learning. It doesn't completely solve the problem, but it is a step in the right direction. And so we came up with two reasons as to why e-learning is very beneficial in solving this problem. And ultimately, we found that it gives the ability to communicate, students having and receiving human-to-human interaction. We saw this a lot during COVID and just having to do lots of e-learning, solely doing e-learning. And also that it's convenient. Students can complete assignments at their own pace from anywhere as long as they have a Wi-Fi. And lastly, here are our references. We have 4 different references, 2 on this page and the following, as you see. All right, thanks again for coming to our Powtoon.